Fake Claude code installer is stealing developer credentials. So this is from Ontinu, and it's a blog that they've posted. Attackers, and we've covered this before, but not for Claude. Attackers set up fake Claude code installation pages promoted through sponsored Google search results. The fake page looks identical to a legitimate Claude code documentation, but swaps the install command's destination to an attacker-controlled domain. So we've spoken about Google Ads before. Google decided in their infinite wisdom that ad blockers were bad because they were costing one of the richest companies in the world lots of money. So they blocked the ability for uBlock Origin and ad blockers to stop working in Chrome, which is the most widely used browser. And of course, now Google Ads appear at the top of every Google search. And this operation targets developers who search on Google for install Claude code. And then the top results would be a sponsored result. And it looks like a legitimate Claude code page. We've covered this numerous times. You found one that was a compromised Google Ads account for Sydney Zoo. You found another one for Ahrefs. You know, this happens so frequently. We found them live on air whilst recording this. That's how easy they are to come across. And you can't, unless you look at the domain or you look at the download domain, you can't tell that easily, especially when you kind of trust Google. So this one's quite interesting. It renders an altered one-line installation command in HTML that looks identical to the one from Anthropic, but sends you to events.msft23.com instead. The payload doesn't match any known malware family. It's been compared to a number of different ones, and there's no technical match, which means this is either new or privately maintained. And the malware checks your Windows region settings and aborts installation if you're in Russia. Should we just all get a VPN to say we're in Russia? Would that solve? Should we all just tell our systems, yeah, we're sat in Moscow? This isn't, again, not just Russia, Iran, or CIS countries. This isn't the first time, again, that malware won't run if you're based in one of those countries.
Yeah.
And this is fresh. This the compiled date on the helper places it within 60 days of Chrome 144, meaning whoever built this is tracking upstream Chromium changes and updating their tooling to match. So this is being maintained and being updated. So updating Google Chrome doesn't fix this issue. It's still coming. You cannot trust sponsored links on Google. Full stop. Google, like we've said about Meta selling advertising to anyone, Google should do better. They could do better. How difficult is it to, there's ways they could do this, but they generate too much money. So, and if you're a developer, think about the access that a dodgy Claude code, it's got the keys to your kingdom, literally the keys to your kingdom that you're going to put in it. It's, be really, really careful. Go straight to the domain. Don't Google it. Claude.ai, Anthropic.com, something like that. Just go there. Yeah. Anyway, that's my rant over on that one. If you're in a business, have a safe, why not have, I built when I worked on Help Desk 15 years ago, a shortcuts page in a Google site that all the frequently visited links, and this was before I really had a security hat on, this was just convenience, all the regular links that we had to visit as a team on Help Desk, I put them all on a single page. So rather than searching through your bookmarks we spoke about a couple of weeks ago, but I had a shortcut page. Businesses should have sites that link to trusted download destinations. And as an individual, bookmarks, use bookmarks. We're bringing bookmarks back. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or we'll have a maybe like a software repository that's maintained by
all that
someone as well as another option.
That would be the more mature option than a destination, than a download page or bookmarks. But yeah, yeah, I think that's it on that one. It's Google Ads, man. Just to stay away from the sponsored links.
Yeah, yeah.